Are you tired of being jolted awake by that sudden, sharp pain of a leg cramp? Or maybe you've noticed your muscles feeling tighter and more stubborn, making simple movements feel like a struggle. What if the solution wasn't another pill, but something already in your kitchen? It turns out, specific foods have a powerful, natural ability to calm muscle nerves, support healthy circulation, and prevent those frustrating cramps from hijacking your sleep. In this video, we're uncovering the top 7 science-backed superfoods that can help you finally break free from nightly cramps and wake up feeling loose, relaxed, and ready to move. These aren't just random suggestions. They're targeted nutritional strategies to support your muscle health and overall mobility. But first, I'd love to connect with you. Let me know which city or country you're tuning in from in the comments below, and if you have a specific question, ask away. 1. Eggs. Among the many nutrient-rich foods that support muscle health, eggs are a standout source of essential vitamins and minerals. But how exactly do they help with leg cramps in older adults? Let's take a closer look. Muscle fatigue is a common cause of cramps, and protein plays a vital role in muscle repair and maintenance. Older adults often experience age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, which can increase susceptibility to cramps and weakness. Eggs provide a complete source of protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. One large egg offers high-quality protein that helps rebuild muscle tissue, reduce fatigue, and improve the efficiency of muscle contractions, all of which can help lower the frequency of cramps. Regularly including eggs in the diet supports muscle strength and endurance, reducing the likelihood of painful cramping. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption and proper muscle function. Inadequate vitamin D can lead to muscle weakness, cramps, and discomfort. Research indicates that older adults with low vitamin D levels often experience more frequent and severe leg cramps. Egg yolks are a natural source of vitamin D, which supports both bone and muscle health. While sunlight is a primary source of vitamin D, many seniors spend limited time outdoors, making dietary sources increasingly important. Although one egg provides some vitamin D, daily requirements for older adults are often higher. To help meet these needs, eggs can be paired with fortified dairy products such as milk or yogurt, or with fatty fish like salmon. In cases of significant deficiency, a vitamin D supplement may be beneficial. Number 2. Spinach. When it comes to sheer electrolyte power, few foods can match a spinach. This leafy green is one of the most concentrated dietary sources of magnesium, the paramount mineral for muscle relaxation. A magnesium deficiency is a leading cause of muscle tightness and charley horses because without it, muscles cannot properly relax after contracting. But spinach doesn't stop there. It's also loaded with potassium and a significant amount of calcium. These 3 electrolytes must work in a delicate balance to facilitate the smooth, cramp-free contraction and relaxation of muscle fibers. Spinach also provides iron, which is essential for producing hemoglobin to carry oxygen in the blood, further ensuring muscles don't become fatigued and prone to cramping due to oxygen debt. You can add a large handful to a morning smoothie. It's very mild when blended with fruit, sauté it with eggs, or use it as a salad base. Cooking it lightly can actually help make its minerals more bioavailable. Number 3. Salmon. Often, muscle cramps aren't just about an electrolyte deficiency. They're a sign of underlying inflammation that irritates nerves and muscles. This is where fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines come in. They are the richest natural source of EPA and DHA, the 2 most potent anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s work by directly reducing the production of inflammatory molecules in the body that can contribute to nerve irritation and muscle pain. By calming systemic inflammation, they help create an environment where muscles are less likely to seize up unexpectedly. Furthermore, similar to L-citrulline in watermelon, omega-3s have been shown to improve endothelial function, enhancing circulation and ensuring efficient delivery of blood and nutrients to muscle tissues. Research, including a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, has linked regular consumption of fatty fish to reduced muscle soreness and improved muscle function in older adults. Aim for 2 3 to 4 ounce servings per week. Whether grilled, baked, or canned, incorporating salmon into your diet is a powerful strategy to fight cramps by tackling their root inflammatory cause. Number 4. Watermelon. If your cramps are linked to dehydration or poor circulation, especially after a day of activity, watermelon might be your secret weapon. While it's famously hydrating, being over 90% water, its real power for cramp prevention comes from a rare amino acid called L-citrulline. Once consumed, L-citrulline converts into L-arginine in the body, a compound that boosts nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels, dramatically improving blood flow to the muscles. This enhanced circulation ensures your muscle tissues get more oxygen and nutrients, while efficiently clearing out metabolic waste products that can trigger spasms and pain. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that participants who consumed natural watermelon juice showed improved arterial function and reduced muscle soreness after exercise. For older adults, this means better circulation to the legs, especially during the night when blood flow can naturally decrease. Enjoy a cup of chilled watermelon cubes as an afternoon snack or a post-dinner treat to support hydration and blood flow throughout the night. Number 5. Avocado. While bananas are the classic choice, avocados are a potassium powerhouse that also brings crucial healthy fats to the table. A single avocado provides nearly double the potassium of a banana. Potassium is essential for proper electrical signaling in nerves and muscles. Without adequate levels, signals can go haywire, leading to spasms and cramps. But avocados offer more than just potassium. Their high content of monounsaturated fats helps reduce inflammation, similar to salmon, creating a better environment for muscle function. Furthermore, these healthy fats aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins that support muscle health. They are also a good source of magnesium, making them a triple threat against cramps. Add a quarter of an avocado to your salad, smoothie, or eggs to provide your muscles with the potassium they crave to contract and relax smoothly. Number 6. Pumpkin seeds. When it comes to magnesium, pumpkin seeds are one of the most concentrated food sources available. Just a single ounce provides a significant portion of your daily requirement. Magnesium acts as a natural calcium blocker. When a muscle contracts, calcium flows in. To relax, magnesium is needed to push the calcium out. Without enough magnesium, muscles can get stuck in a contracted state, leading to a painful cramp. Beyond magnesium, pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which plays a role in nerve function and tissue repair. They also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes better sleep. Deeper, more restful sleep can reduce restlessness and the likelihood of being woken by a cramp. Keep a small container of roasted pumpkin seeds by your bedside, or enjoy a handful as an afternoon snack to directly fuel your body's primary muscle relaxation mineral. Number 7. Coconut water. Dehydration is a primary trigger for muscle cramps, as it leads to an imbalance of electrolytes crucial for conducting nerve impulses. While drinking water is vital, coconut water provides a superior solution for cramp prevention. It's nature's sports drink, offering not just hydration but also a potent blend of electrolytes, including potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium, in a form that's easily absorbed. This natural electrolyte profile helps replenish what is lost through perspiration or simply through the natural aging process, where electrolyte balance can become more delicate. Unlike sugary commercial electrolyte drinks, coconut water provides these minerals with minimal processing and natural sugars. Drinking a small glass of natural, unsweetened coconut water in the evening can help ensure your electrolyte levels are optimized before the long overnight fast, helping to prevent those dreaded 2 a.m. leg cramps. If this guide helps you, please support our mission to share natural health solutions by giving this video a thumbs up. It truly makes a difference. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video.